currently we're at the central station, and yeah, it's currently dark outside, so this is what the city looks like, and yeah. So right now we just finished the movie and it was a lot of fun. We watched Venom and it was such a good movie. So yeah, it was really nice. Okay, I gotta stop saying that. I say it in every video that everything is so nice, and yeah, I don't know, it's just a phrase that has been like stuck into my head or something and I can't stop with it, but I'm gonna try to use other amazing vocabulary. So yeah, this is the central station. We're gonna head to McDonald's and get an ice cream and have a little girl chat and stuff. I love Rotterdam by night, it looks so good. Yeah, we took some pictures. We are gonna go to McDonald's. Just not that much, a girls' night out, and I had pho, as you guys saw in the beginning of the this vlog, or maybe in another vlog. I'm not sure if I put these two vlogs together because now I'm filming on my camera and previously I filmed on my phone. So yeah, previously I filmed on my phone. The lip gloss I'm wearing right now is Kiko Milano Hydra lip gloss, and yeah, I put it in my favorites video for September, so you can check that out. Most of my makeup products were in there because it was my first favorite videos, and yeah, I'm really liking the outfit of the day. This blazer that I never wore before, so, and this just simple singlet and some blue jeans and high heels. So yeah. Yeah, it's currently 9 o'clock, and so I put all of my clothes on the bed, and now I'm like instantly regretting that I took it all out. But yeah, this is the situation right now, at least. Some of it was like, a lot of it was already folded, but as you guys can see, a lot of it was not properly organized and stuff. And I thought about donating some more clothes, even though I just did a declutter just before the summer. But now that winter is here, I'm actually seeing a lot of the winter clothes that I don't use. And yeah, this is for one body, so this is not really necessary for one person to keep all of this. And also, since I have so much clothes, I got a lot of stuff that I don't use because, well, I can't find it. So I just grab the first thing that I see that I'm comfortable with. And then what about all the other stuff? So as you guys can see here, this Hollister t-shirt, sweater from H&M, a lot of H&M sweaters, random. Okay, but I'm gonna start to organize it, and yeah, and now I'm finished. So yeah, that took some time, but at least everything is organized properly and I like it. And a lot of the stuff some stuff got donated, I think like 2 trash bags, so that's good. We're in the cat cafe, and then this place is so nice and relaxing. Oh no! Okay, my hair looks really terrible because it was raining like crazy, and yeah, so now my hair looks crazy as well, but I hope you guys don't mind it. And yeah, my favorite highlighter has always been this high beam from Benefit. Oh, it matches my shirt, which was actually not intentional, but this high beam is such a really good liquid highlighter in my opinion. Yeah, if I really want to go a little bit extra, not for like daily stuff, but for daily, I think I use this LA Girl a lot, strobe light. Yeah, it got crushed in my actual last holiday trip. I bought this Hoola Mini Benefit, and it's okay, but actually I didn't think it was as good as a lot of people said it was. I don't know, maybe I'm just using it wrong or something, but for me, I have, like, in my opinion, the makeup stuff should just work. Like, I agree with some of the beauty people just say like, yeah, I have a really small blush collection, this L'Oreal one, it's so good. I don't know, but I think it's discontinued right now. And I have this Wet n Wild blush. So now I'm showing you guys my small blush collection, wet and dry blush powder from Hema. It's okay, a little bit glittery. I have this one, I don't really use it because it show up on my face. Actually, it sounds weird, but because I'm so dark, it doesn't show up. It's a baked blush Hard Day. It's called Hard Day. And actually, I think that was all of my blushes. One that I actually use a lot is this one, the trio from Kate, Rimmel London Kate, in Coral Glow. So this is the packaging, and I'm so sorry my hair looks like a crazy mess, but yeah, so this one I use a lot, and I like this one a lot. When I go travel, I usually pack this with, because then I have like a kind of small highlighter and also a sculpture for this, a little bit of contour, and then a little bit of blush as well, which is nice. I love those type of packaging. I hate to have like a million individual things to bring with, and yeah, sometimes when I travel with this bag here. So this is just from Primark. It's nice because it's like plastic, so it doesn't get like all dirty and stuff in my bag if it's a lot of dust, for example. Oh yeah, another blush that I have is this from Primark. I don't use it a lot. It was like €2. Maybe I should try it out actually more. I'm gonna test it out later. And then this one, I bought this for €1. One for €1, the DB Blush Cheeked Rose. I think I bought it at Action. I also have this, which I haven't used that much. I bought this when I was in Prague. I thought the packaging looked really interesting, and I also thought it was cool that it was like a 3-in-1, and it was really affordable as well. I also think that I bought this for like €1. Yeah. When it comes to makeup, I have like different, like, yeah, sometimes I have like MAC and more expensive stuff, but usually when it comes to makeup, I don't. Hanging up the wash right here. So I'm in the kitchen right now. We bought this at IKEA. These are really, really nice. They come like in 2 separate ones, but I think we bought it. Yeah, I think they were also really affordable, and it fits also right at my vanity. So this is where I keep all of my makeup and stuff, in this storage stuff here. Yeah, sorry about the boxes. This is what I keep all of my makeup stuff at, in each of these drawers here, and also here at the bottom is my hair tools, hair stuff. This is like a lot of some hairsprays and stuff. Really messy. Here are my lashes, and yeah, this donut for my hair. If I want to put my hair in a donut, I like to keep things, yeah, it's not completely full, and also a lot of stash that I don't really use right now. So here's the air sponge, and then yep, this is the setting. This, I think this was also really affordable, if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, so I just usually do my makeup right here, and it's nice to have like one compartment for everything. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this vlog. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.